Hello. It's been quite a while since I recorded a video. Today's March 9th, 2025, and we're getting some flurries. Snow's been on the ground for months. It's been a brutally cold winter here. Apparently, in the last 100 years, it's been the ninth coldest winter, temperature-wise. So one night it was minus 18 with no wind chill. So it's been kind of tough. The propane heater that I had a guy come out to service it, and he blew the board on it and couldn't get a new board to fix it. So it was basically bricked, and the propane company was excellent, and they gave me a half cost to them brand new one, which I, with the help of a buddy, installed, and it's working great. It's important to have that because the wood stove only goes so far. So if you go to bed at 11 o'clock and kind of put wood in it, it goes out at 2-3 in the morning. And when you get up in the morning, it's really cold. So I was getting up, this whole saga lasted about 2 weeks. I was getting up in the morning, it was 52 degrees. So now, with the new one, it's great. So there's no gap, and it's a wonderful thing. But here we are. A little snow. Yeah, one of the problems too is that firewood that you see there apparently was from the bottom of the pile and had mold on it. So when I brought that in to make it so I don't have to go in and out every day, Jake developed some eye infections, and ultimately, long story short, we got what they call an ozone machine, which kills everything, and we had to spend 4 or 5 nights in the Best Western. That is where I kind of had my home base when I was looking around here, for 5 nights. So everything's all good now. Got new wood from a different guy, and I'm looking forward to the spring, which here will be in late May. And although actually Tuesday is supposed to be 50, so it's nice. And I figured I would just give an update. As you can see, if you can, I can't zoom with this GoPro, but next to the shed to the left, you'll see 2 of those firewood racks. They're sitting on a floor of what will be the firewood shed. So when I buck up those trees that are down and then use the log splitter to split them, they'll be going there. And I'm probably going to build another one 12 feet so that I can have 2, and that'll give me about 8 to 10 cords of wood stored, because it does take a little bit of time to have it seasoned properly, and it'll be all hardwood. So with all of that said, you can see there's no wind today, and there's Mr. Jake. Oh yes, he's wagging his tail. All righty. Are you going to sit for the camera? Oh, you are. You're such a good boy. Okay, I'm still barbecuing when it's not really windy out, doing my keto carnivore, and all that's going well. So, until next time, God bless.